Hello and welcome to this Power BI video. We are continuing our tutorial series, and in today's tutorial we are going to discuss one DAX function, that is summarize. Now summarize will return us a table, so we can use it for generating a table as a new table, or we can use this inside our formulas. Inside our formulas we'll see example how can we use it for level of details implementation. So let's first of all go and try to create a new table. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to run this new table and I want to create a summarize table, and as summarize means I can get some aggregated data. So let's say new table, and in this new table I want to, let's say, have the item wise sales as a new table. So I can say summarize sales, and as the item is having one relationship one, so item brand, let's say I want a brand wise sales, and I let me call it net sales. And this net sales is, I have a measure, I can take a measure out here, which is net sales m, which is my net sales. Okay, so I am getting this one. Now I can add a few more, like I said, let me say I need date wise. So I can actually go ahead and create a date wise net sales, and now I should be able to go ahead, and this new table, which is my table, uh, it should be lying somewhere. It is table, and this is my date table out here, my date table. So I can go ahead and join this. Okay, so in the new table I will be able to apply date filters with the help of the date table. So this is a new table, it doesn't have any relationship with date, so what I have to do is I have to actually go ahead and uh, make sure that I am able to filter it out. So then I need to create new join. Okay, now one more thing which I can do here is I can actually filter this, and here I can actually say net sales. So now this is post filter, so now I'm not doing filter before I summarize, I'm doing filter after I summarize. So if my summarize value is greater than 10,000, then only I want to consider, so filter that. Okay, so only the values which are greater than, if I need it's line level, like let's say if some item I wanted to filter, or let's say I want to filter line level sales, then I would have given a filter inside, now I have given a filter outside. Okay, so so now what we have to do is, and this is same thing, if you wanted to create a measure where you wanted to take a sum where the net sales is greater than for an item on each date which is greater than 10,000, you wanted to take, this could be the intermediate table you would have created out there. Okay, so we have discussed that we can actually use it for some kind of a level of detail implementation. So what I'm going to do is, we are going to create a measure, first of all average sales. So, and I'm going to tell you the difference. So what I want is, I want this measure which is simply average sales. Okay, now average sales is nothing but average, and this is sales net. Okay, so sales net is what we need, and let me plot it by month here. Okay, so I'll take my date table, from there let me get month here, let me filter it out, there are too many measures. So let's get month here, and let's get average sales, and let's get sales also, which is net sales m. You can see what is this. Okay, now this is basically the row level average. What I need is approximately, if it is 30 days of sales, assuming all days are there, I don't need, it is just divided by 30, or maybe if it is 28 days, I need the sum of those 28 days divided by 28. So one of the ways you can do it, and this is more complex cases you can actually do around, is we call it average daily sales. Now to get the average daily sales, first I need to sum up till the day level, and then I need to take average. So I'm going to take average x. Inside the averages, I could have taken this as variable, but I can also take it directly as a table here, and I say sales. And as you have seen, we have talked about date of date there. So first of all, till date of date, we need to add this up. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to give a underscore one. Basically this is intermediate table column name, so not very important. And we have this net sales M, which we are going to use. Now we get outside the summarize. So inside the summarize, now we have a column which is underscore one. So I'm going to use that. So now it is going to give me the average. Almost it should give me the daily average. So let's call it, let's check that measure. Okay. So now this is, if you see, this is seems like much better average. It seems like a daily kind of average here. Almost divide by, if you divide by 31, you will get some 20 or 1000. So this is the number which you are getting, or depending on more or less days it can change. So this is how, and you can have more than one levels. There you can maybe want to summarize brand and item wise, and then I told you you can have a filter, like you might have a condition, give me the average which is greater than, let's say, now either the sum is greater than something or average is greater, let's say average which is greater than 20,000. So now in this case we can get the sum, let's say sum is greater than 60,000, then only I want to get. So I got this table. On top of this table I can actually filter this greater than 600k, and then I can get it. Okay, so there is nothing which is greater than 600k. So so this should be coming out. So let's see, let's reduce it by 1. We are doing something wrong here. Okay, fine. So we were this is average. So basically we have summed up till day level only. So this is the monthly one. So day level only we have summed up. So based, because we have only summed up till day level. So on the day level, if it is greater than 60,000, only then it is considered, and then the average has been taken. So that's what we have done now. So these are the experiments which you can do. So 60,000 daily sales greater than daily, which we have considered and done it. So try these things out. Do let us know what else you wanted to cover us in this series. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon so that you can get notification for this video. Thank you.